Is your printer stuck with a nasty paper jam? Don't stress. We're going to hunt down that stuck paper and get your printer running smoothly again. In this video, I'll walk you through every hiding spot where paper likes to get jammed, and I'll show you how to safely clear it without damaging your machine. We'll also clean those paper rollers while we're at it, preventing future jams. If you hit any snags, call the numbers on your screen. Let's do this. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Start by making sure your printer is powered on. Then lift open the front access door to get inside. Just above that, find the cartridge access door and just open it. Peer inside and look for any torn pieces or crumbled paper stuck in there. If you can't see everything clearly, don't worry. Gently move the printhead carriage back and forth, sliding it all the way right and then all the way left. Now go ahead and open the paper path cover. This is where most papers jam hide. Take a really careful look in here and feel around any stuck paper. If you find any, pull them out slowly and gently. While you've got everything open, grab a lint-free cloth or a cotton swab and some distilled water. We're going to give those rollers a quick cleaning. Dampen your cloth very lightly. You want it just barely moist, not dripping wet. This is important because you don't want any water leaking into your printer's internals. Use that slightly damp cloth to wipe down each of the paper's rollers gently. Get them nice and clean. Once you've finished cleaning, leave those rollers alone and let them air dry. Give them about 10 minutes to dry completely before you reassemble everything. After everything's completely dry, slide the paper path cover back into place. Close up both the front door and the cartridge access door. Next, open the output tray cover on the back and the bottom of your printer. You'll see a button or lever on the tray. Press it to slide the tray out. Now, pull out the input tray as well. You can get a good look inside. Search the area thoroughly. Paper loves hiding back in there, so inspect every corner. If you still haven't found the jam, try tilting your printer gently to one side, left or right, to check underneath. Look carefully at the bottom area and remove any paper bits you discover there. While you're down there, give those rollers underneath a quick wipe with some damp cloth to freshen them up. Once everything checks out and looks clear, slide both trays back into the slots and set your printer upright onto its surface. If your printer display is showing a paper jam message, just tap OK to dismiss it and clear the error.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.